सबजना एकदम सन्चै फिट एन्ड फाइन हुनुहुन्छ होला। म पनि एकदमै ठिक छु। अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो स्कुलमा चाहिँ एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मिट हुन लागिरहेको छ। स्पोर्ट्स डेको उपलक्ष्यमा चाहिँ हामी सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू क्लास एलकेजी युकेजीदेखि 10 क्लाससम्मको विद्यार्थीहरू सबैजना ग्राउन्डमा जम्मा हुनु भइसक्नु भएको छ। हेर्दै गर्नु होला के कस्तो हुन्छ। प्यारेन्ट्सहरू नै आउनु भएको छ कतिजना भने। ल एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मिटको लागि लगभग तयारी भइसक्नु भएको छ। ल विद्यार्थीहरू 1 क्लास 2 क्लासदेखि लिएर सबैजना यता लाइनमा बस्नु भएको छ। यता चाहिँ 6 क्लासको स्टुडेन्ट्सहरू यता रहेको छ। ल ल अब सुरु भयो। ल हेलो यहाँ 4 क्लास यता बस्नु भएको छ। 8 क्लास पछाडि बस्नु भएको छ। यहाँ चाहिँ बेलुन उडाउनको लागि तयारी गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ।
Okay, as we are now starting our
क्षेत्रीय विद्यापीठ बाफल एनुअल मिट स्पोर्ट्स विक सेलिब्रेसन 2082 क्षेत्रीय विद्यापीठ।
Good morning, respected chairman sir, principal sir, vice principal sir, honored teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today is a very special day for our school. Let us begin this wonderful day with positivity, excitement, and cheerful hearts. First of all, we are going to have the balloon flying ceremony to officially mark the beginning of today's sports program. I now move towards the balloon flying ceremony. I humbly request our respected chairman sir, principal sir, and vice principal sir to please come forward and do the honors. Please give the round of applause.
One, two, three.
1, 2, 3.
मलाई चाहिँ बेलुन भन्दा पनि स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूको रमाइलो गर्दा चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ मजा लाग्यो।
Okay, now we're going to have our march past. Let's start the beat.
Captain, Saturday! Friends, run!
Captains forward, march. as our house captains did our march pass. Now they're going to come with all the participants from each houses again. All the horses, stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Captains, flags down. Horses, stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. All the horses forward march. All the horses disperse.
म्युजिकल चेयर स्टार्ट हुँदैछ अब लास्ट फाइनल गेम चाहिँ आज क्लास 1 मकालो म्युजिकल चेयर स्टार्ट अब 3-4 जना हुनुहुँदो रहेछ फाइनलमा पुग्नु भएको विद्यार्थीहरू चाहिँ मार्बल रेसमा पार्टिसिपेट हुनुभएको छ फाइनल राउन्ड क्लास 4 र 5 को अब स्पुन एन्ड मार्बल रेस Subrava first. Subrava Kodel first. समीक्षा सेकेन्ड, दिप्सन थर्ड, दिप्सन थर्ड। 15 कोइन चाहिँ अब यो कोइन हालेपछि फेरि पर पुग्नु पर्यो, जो अगाडि पुग्नुहुन्छ उहाँ फर्स्ट हुनुहुन्छ।
Get set.
अलि ब्याग समाउनु, यो ब्याग समाउनु अलि हो। Dipesh first.
No, Rosni. Rosni, only two, eh? Rosni.
So Dipesh is the winner. He is the first in the coin game. Now still waiting for second and third position. Give your best. I think Rosni Mandal. Still waiting for third position, guys. Still waiting for third position. Yes, you can do it. Now for third position.
ल सुरेशको लागि 4 र 5 को भाइ बहिनीहरू रेडी। मजा लाउनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू यहाँ आएर।
Wear your socks properly.
अब सुज लाउनुहुन्छ त्यहाँ गएर, सुज लाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ सबैजना। कर्जा फर्स्ट चेक चेक खै ए शिवान खै ओके गुड शिवान सेकेन्ड थर्ड भेरी इन्ट्रेस्ट।
Shivan, they are from same classes. They are targeting you. You have to save yours. Yeah. Okay.
आफै फुट्यो।
Moses is third. Now it's for first and second position. Roman and Shivan.
रोमन र शिवानको अब मोसेसको आफै फुट्यो भने।
Where are you, Moses?
क्लास 10 का सबैजना विद्यार्थीहरू चाहिँ मार्च पास्टको लागि रेडी हुनुभएको छ।
School captain. Vice captain. यो भिडियो आउँछ होला है युट्युब च्यानलमा फालेपछि जहाँ खस्छ त्यहीबाट हिँड्ने रे।
Yes. Left, right, left.
Students, Stanley. Attention. Stanley. Attention. Captain, stand up.
Flags up, captains.
Stanley's. Attention. Students, march on. Students, forward march.
अहिले चाहिँ भने सबै खेलहरू सकिसकेको छ र अब 10 क्लास चाहिँ ड्रिल पर्फर्म गरेर भ्याउनु भइसक्यो। अब चाहिँ भने मेडल अनि सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रिब्युसन प्रोग्राम रहेको छ।
Of class 10 of Sagarmatha House 100-meter race. Our Honorable Vice Principal Sir to come on the stage and award our winners. I would also request Honorable Chairperson Sir to grace us on the stage. Miss Shreyani Kodel of Class 9 of Machaputre House has obtained 3rd position in secondary level girls 100-meter race. Miss Aradhya Basnet of Class 9 of Annapurna House has obtained 1st position in secondary level girls 100-meter race. Miss Jasmine Stresta of Class 7 has obtained 3rd position in girls 100-meter race. Position in secondary girls 100-meter race. Master Bidhan Shrestha of Class 8 has obtained 2nd position in secondary boys 100-meter race. Master Ans Ranapal of Class 8 has obtained 1st position in secondary boys 100-meter race. Position in lower secondary boys 100-meter race. Miss Dipsika Adhikari has obtained 2nd position in lower secondary girls 50-meter race. Miss Kaiza Lamichane of Class 5 has obtained 1st position in lower secondary girls 50-meter race. I would like to request Rupin Sir to come on the stage and award our students. Miss Ananyata Subedi of Class 10 of Sagarmatha House has obtained 3rd position in secondary level maths race. Master Ronak Mandal of Class 8 has obtained 2nd position in secondary level maths race. Master Khil Bahadur Khulami of Class 8 has obtained 1st position in secondary level maths race. Of Annapurna House has obtained 3rd position in marble and spoon race in secondary level. Marble and spoon race. Congratulations to all the winners. Balloon bursting contest. Master Moses Himere of Class 4 has obtained 3rd position in lower secondary balloon bursting contest. Master Pasang Tamang of Class 5 of Machapuchri House has obtained 3rd position in balloon bursting contest. Master Abhishek Chowdhury of Class 5 of Sagarmatha House has obtained 2nd position in lower secondary balloon bursting contest. Master Vikesh Basnet of Class 5 of Sagarmatha House has obtained 1st position in lower secondary balloon bursting contest. Thank you, Vice Principal Sir, for gracing us on the stage. Miss Neharika Jarga Mogar of Class 5 of Machapuchri House has obtained 3rd position in shoes and socks race. Sivan Kadel of Class 4 of Sagarmatha House has obtained 2nd position in shoes and socks race. Miss Karja Lamichani of Class 5 of Kanchanjunga House has obtained 1st position in shoes and socks race. Let us clap for our winners. I would like to request the audience to maintain silence. Master Humayun Sahi of Class 6 of Machapuchri House has obtained 3rd position and Master Ridham Bohra of Class 7 of Annapurna House has obtained 3rd position in coin race. Miss Roshni Mandal of Class 6 of Kanchanjunga House has obtained 2nd position in lower secondary coin race. Master Dipesh Shrestha of Class 7 of Annapurna House has obtained 1st position in lower secondary coin race. This is to certify Sagarmatha House for obtaining 2nd position in secondary level boys basketball contest. The winners are Master Saugat Tamang of Class 10, Master Nishchal Agrawal of Class 10, Thakuri of Class 10, Master Anis Mogar of Class 9 by Annapurna House for obtaining 3rd position in secondary level boys basketball tournament. The winners are Master Ashish Lumba of Class 9, Master Rajal Dambol of Class 9, Master Chris Thanal of Class 8, Master Abhiyan Tamrakar of Class 8, Master Ayush Shah of Class 8. Machapuchri House for obtaining 3rd position in secondary level girls basketball tournament. The winners are Miss Rosika Shrestha of Class 10, Miss Neha Gartala of Class 10, Miss Jasmine Serchan of Class 9, Miss Shriyani Kadel of Class 9, Miss Bintuna Pradhan of Class 9, Miss Akriti Sarma of Class 8 and Miss Archana Karki of Class 8. I would like to request Mr. Umanath Sir to come on the stage. This is to certify Sagarmatha House obtaining 2nd position in secondary level girls basketball tournament. The winners are Miss Sabina Chowdhury of Class 10, Miss Ananyata Subedi of Class 10, Miss Yuna Rai of Class 9, Miss Sanvi Karmacharya of Class 9, Miss Simran Jarga Mogar of Class 8, Miss Akanksha Maske of Class 8. I would like to request Honorable Principal Sir to come on the stage and award our winners. This is to certify Annapurna House obtaining 1st position in secondary level girls basketball tournament. The winners are Miss Krisa Kanal of Class 10, Miss Sania Lama of Class 10, Miss Oscar Rawal of Class 10, Miss Arisa Kapali of Class 9, Miss Loris Khadki of Class 9, Miss Aradhya Basnet of Class 9 and Miss Devika Acharya of Class 8. basketball tournament. The winners are Master Girish Gimire of class 5, Master Nevan Dangol of class 7, Master Sujan Shrestha of class 6, Master Saksham Dangol of class 6, Master Ayushman Chetri of class 7, Master Humayu Sari of class 6, and Master Raman Shrestha of class 7. I request the winners to line up backstage. This is to certify Kanchanjunga House obtaining first position in lower secondary girls basketball. Winners.
ल सबैजनाको हात हातमा मेडल अनि सर्टिफिकेट। ओहो कति धेरै, तिमीले कति धेरै पाएको अरूभन्दा? ल सबैजना स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूको चाहिँ अब सबैको हातमा चाहिँ मेडल सर्टिफिकेट। ओ माई गुडनेस। ल हेर्नुहोस् त गाइज, आजको मेडल र सर्टिफिकेट वितरण कार्यक्रम नै सकिसकेको छ हाम्रो। अब यो कार्यक्रम चाहिँ अन्त्य गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, यहीँ चाहिँ अन्त्य भएको घोषणा गर्दछु। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच। आजको लागि नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँहरू च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गर्नु होला। ओके गाइज, थ्याङ्क यू।
हेलो गाइज, आजको हाम्रो दिन रमाइलो गएको छ। कति रमाइलो भइरहेछ सबैजना।
सकिसक्यो अब, बाई बाई। 4 पनि बज्न लाग्यो। अब चाहिँ घर जानुपर्ने हुन्छ, 1 प्लेट बाँकी छ। ल थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।